Hello everyone, A.M.R. Weather here, and today we'll be discussing everything about newly marked Invest 98. Here's the ocean heat content, where 98 currently is. It's about 28 degrees, with some spots a little warmer and 29. The average temperature in the Gulf of Mexico is now around 31 degrees, some spots higher into 32 or 33. In the open Atlantic, the average temperature is 28, with some spots peaking into 29s and 30s. And lastly, in the Caribbean Sea, the average temperature is 29, some spots up to 30 or even 31. Here are the newest models. This is the GFS. You could see this is early midnight or morning Tuesday. You could see that they have it as a strong tropical storm, and then making landfall somewhere around Guadeloupe as a low-end Category 1 hurricane, moving just south of Puerto Rico, and making landfall on the Dominican Republic as maybe a low-end Cat 3, but most likely a powerful Cat 2. Then they have it going back out to sea. And nextly, we're going to look at the European model. The European model has it just south of Puerto Rico as a weak tropical storm, and that's all the information we have currently because this is a new model run. Nextly, we're going to go to the Canadian. You can see the Canadian has a hurricane long before it reaches the Windward Islands and the Greater Antilles, and then it makes a sharp northern turn and just goes out to sea, not affecting anyone. So if that is the case, that is very good news. Here is the wind shear. You can see that where that system is this little low pressure area, and it is dealing with a little bit of wind shear, but not enough to make it completely dissipate. Here is the current vorticity. The vorticity is showing it very tightly wrapped, so this will be quite a strong system. So I'm thinking a low-end Cat 3 if the models continue to stay like this for a landfall on the Dominican Republic. And then they have it just going out to sea, maybe making a landfall in Turks and Caicos there as a low-end Cat 3 or a high-end Cat 2. And then rearing out to sea, maybe giving Bermuda some small storm surge, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Well, here is what 98L currently looks like. You can see it's producing some heavy convection. It's a little disorganized still, but it just formed as of yesterday, so that's to be expected, although it is looking fairly good. Here is the current tropical weather outlook from NOAA. You can see that it has an 80% chance in the next week and a 30% chance in the next 48 hours, and it's likely to become a tropical depression by early week, if not the middle part, and probably a tropical storm, and then even a hurricane after that. Lastly, here's the ocean heat content. Where the system is, there's very good temperatures for the deep waters, and then it's going to move into even more favorable waters, and if it even goes like the models are saying, it could go over this hot pocket, and that would really boost it. So the models may be accurate on this one, and it's not terribly far out. So thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe as I'm trying to grow this channel, and as always, stay safe and be prepared.